Heller, host of the Nutrition and Health Show here on Dr. Radio.
Okay, it is cold today. So it stormed yesterday, and when it stormed, it was like probably about like 61, 63 or something like that. Anyway, so it stormed yesterday, and when it stormed, the temperatures dropped like 30 degrees, which I'm not complaining about any means. We live in the South, so we don't usually get snow for Christmas, so for it to be cold is actually a good thing. I saw this meme on the internet and I thought it was hilarious, and it was saying, "'Twas the night before Christmas, and all through the house the AC was on because we live in the South." Kind of makes sense to me. Anyway, I had to go to the post office because I accidentally forgot to mail off a card to a very important person, and actually a couple people I forgot, so I had to get those dropped off today. It's Christmas Eve. Every place is kind of closed. Traffic is looking a little thin, which I'm okay with that. Traffic today reminds me of Sunday morning traffic. Not a lot of people out, and people that are out are driving with intention. So yeah, we are not cooking a traditional Christmas meal. We did like Thanksgiving as a traditional meal. It's cold outside, baby, it's cold outside. It's cold, it's cold, it's cold, baby, it's cold outside. I need to go to the store really quick. Most of these stores are closed, which is definitely understandable because it's Christmas Eve. I know a lot of people are preparing for like dinner and all that. So I think that we are still packing, so Christmas looks a bit different. I already took our tree down. Took that tree down because the cats kept tearing it up, so I was just like over it. This mall is packed, absolutely packed. We have not been to the mall. Well, I went to the mall maybe like a couple of weeks ago because there's a furniture store in there and I wanted to get a chair. But other than that, no. We have been playing it cool. People are still out asking for money. And just pray they God bless them. Okay, he wasn't asking for money, but even yet, that God will bless the people that don't have homes today. Helicopter back there. Y'all, there's this guy in the drive-thru that has on a Grinch head. Look at that. That is hilarious. That's funny. Oh my gosh. I can't. Next stop is taking a selfie. We're here getting the keys to our new home. So you know how everybody takes a picture with the key and stuff. Brendan was like, we're not doing it. He was like, nope. can't recognize people nowadays with mask on. Look at how far I got that mask. My hair is so slick. Everything is just sliding down. Hey guys. I know you're probably like, why are you having a mask? Because we just bought a house and I'm in here. So I'm so excited to just show you really quickly our home. There's nothing in it right now. Well, I say nothing. There's a few things in here, but not a whole lot. So I'm gonna show you this. This is our first home, so I'm so excited. This is our master bedroom. There is nothing in there. My favorite part, look at that ceiling. So cute. We'll eventually change colors and all that, but not right now. Bathroom, just as any other. There I am, hi. Got our shower, closet, you know, the usual. Got a guest bedroom, closet, of course, guest bathroom, linen closet is there, and then here's my office. I'm gonna change the color, but I'm keeping the chandelier, which is so cute. I've already started stuffing stuff in the closet. My craft room, as you can see. We have the living room, and that's our surround sound equipment. There's Brennan in the kitchen waiting on me. And we've just pulled out stuff that's been packed in the car, cleaning stuff. Purse, thermostat stuff. But yeah, this is our home. We're so excited. Say hey to the people.
Hey to the people.
And we don't have a fridge yet, so that's something we are working on. And also, let me show you this. I have banged my head on this thing a couple of times, but all right, that's all. We're heading out for the night. We have to be back tomorrow in the morning to meet the carpet cleaning people. So I'm gonna turn off these lights, and then we obviously need to finish packing up our apartment so that we can get all of our stuff and move out. Is this thing on? Exciting news, exciting news. We moved, which is awesome. And we're still getting settled. I sound a little nasally because I just did my neti pot. Had some sinus stuff going on. But yeah, we moved. Brendan's behind me working to get our surround sound set up. Have this gap that's here in my teeth because my teeth are shifting. But yeah, so we're here. We are getting settled. Still so much that we have to do as far as unpacking boxes and stuff like that, but definitely has been quite the experience for us.